the Maple-Leaf Learning Playhouse. Hey guys, let's cook with the cook, okay? Yeah. Well, first, let's add a little bit of color, okay? Yeah. That's better. Circle, triangle. Wow, let's get started. A cookie. Color that. Yeah, let's make it brown. That's a better color. And a sandwich. And a bun, like for your hamburger. And some pie. I think I'll make this cherry pie. Yeah. And a donut. Let's make this a strawberry donut. Good idea. That looks pretty yummy. Do you like donuts? I do. And last is pizza. I love pizza. Pizza's delicious, don't you think? Great. And we're all done. Well, let's grab our scissors and cut out the pieces, okay? Are you ready? Great! Circle, triangle. Is a cookie a circle or a triangle? That's right, it's a circle. Good job. Is a sandwich a circle or a triangle? That's right, it's a triangle. What about a bun? Circle or triangle? That's right, it's a circle. And what about our yummy cherry pie? Circle, triangle. That's right, it's a triangle. What about a donut? That's right, it's a circle too. And the last one, pizza? Yeah, it's a triangle. You're good at this. Hey, let's watch a fun video with the cook, okay? Good idea.
Hello! Welcome to my restaurant.
Hi.
What do you want to eat?
I don't know.
Do you want pizza?
No, I don't.
Do you want French fries?
No, I don't.
Do you want hamburgers?
No, I don't.
Do you want pancakes?
No, I don't.
Do you want rice?
No.
Bread?
Nope.
Sushi?
No thanks.
Soup?
Nah.
Salad?
Nope.
Chicken?
Nah.
Steak?
Uh-uh.
Spaghetti?
No.
Noodles?
Nah.
Ice cream? Curry?
No.
Cheese?
Nah.
Fish?
No thanks.
Well, what do you want?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yeah. I'm not hungry. See ya.
Mamma mia.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
Let's make a pizza.
Okay. I love pizza. It's delicious. Let's make a pizza, you and me. I love pizza, it's yummy. Let's make a pizza, you and me. I love pizza, it's yummy. Tomatoes.
Tomatoes!
Salami.
Salami!
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms!
Cheese.
Oh yeah!
Let's make a pizza, you and me. I love pizza, it's yummy. Let's make a pizza, you and me. I love pizza, it's yummy. Put on the tomatoes. Put on the salami. Put on the mushrooms. And the cheese. I love cheese. Let's eat! Let's make a pizza, you and me. I love pizza, it's yummy. Let's make a pizza, you and me. I love pizza, it's yummy. Oh, yeah. Thanks for playing. Maple Leaf Learning. Hi guys, I hope you're happy today. If you subscribe, I'll be happy too. Yeah!